Today is one of our favorite days in the garden. We finally reached harvest time for our sweet corn and our watermelon. Okay, Sage, we'll also take a look at our transplanted tomatoes to see how they're doing, as well as our pimento plant seedlings to see how much they've grown. Also, Sage, we're gonna see what the garden has in store for us. You ready? Give me a bounce. Alright, let's go. Okay, Sage, our seed corn has finally matured. One of the easiest ways to check the corn if it's ready is by checking the silk. So instead of it being green, it has to be brown and it has to dry out, just as you can see right here. You feel it? You see how it dry? So it's ready to harvest. Another way to check if the corn is ready is gently peel back just a little bit of the husk and look at the kernels. Okay? The kernels should be full, as you can see, and tightly packed. You can see it right here, right? And also when you press on it, a milky substance should be coming out. So go ahead and press it with your fingernails.
Hard.
So press over here. You see how that milky substance is coming out? That means it's good. Okay, that's exactly what we need. All right, so we go ahead and harvest it. You ready? Alright, give me a bounce. Alright, when harvesting the corn, don't pull straight out. Pull downward and it will snap. Okay, let me show you how. So we're gonna pull it like this. You see how it snap? You see it? So now we got some good corn. You see it? Alright, let's go ahead and harvest the rest. Come and do this one right here. You see it? And twist. You see you got some corn. Let's peel it to see what you got. You see you got some good corn right here.
What?
Yeah, so we got some good corn. Wow, what you got? You got a big one, baby.
A good, healthy corn.
You like the corn? Good harvest, baby.
You see, corn is made of popcorn.
Yeah. Okay, Seja, now it's time for something we've been waiting weeks for.
Our watermelon!
Yes, baby, our watermelon. You see how big it is? So we're gonna enjoy it, right? You ready to harvest it? Alright. Okay, Sage, one of our biggest signs of the watermelon is ready or ripened is this curly tender red right next to the fruit. You can see it? It's right there. Yes, this. So if it's completely brown and dry, that means our watermelon is good to harvest, right? Another way you can tell if our watermelon is good is by underneath it. If under our watermelon is white, that means it's not yet good, but if it's showing signs of yellow, that means it's ripe. Okay, so that means you can see the ripeness there. That means it's ready. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and harvest it. Okay, Sage, when you tap the watermelon, you're gonna listen for a deep hollow sound. Alright, go ahead and tap it. Okay, what you hear? When you tap it, that means it's full of water and likely means it's ripe. You hear? You hear that hollow noise it's making? That means it's full of water and it's ready to it's ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready, baby girl?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Okay, Seja, now we know our watermelon is ready. Let's go ahead and harvest it. So before you go ahead and cut it, you're gonna go ahead and cut it right there. Okay, right in that spot. So go ahead. You got it? You got strength? You got strength? Where's your strength, baby? Good job, you got strength. Now go ahead and carry it. You got it? You see? It's a big watermelon. Carry it, carry it. You got it? It's heavier than you. Gimme. You're gonna break my watermelon. That's a big watermelon. Look at that bright red watermelon. Nice and bright.
I want to eat that.
You wanna eat it?
I want to eat it.
Okay, let me cut a slice.
Cameraman want to try it. Cameraman.
Move on, Sarah.
Thank you. Good watermelon.
Move on, Sarah. How it is, baby? It's good? So, Seja, nothing compares growing your own food, right? Straight from the backyard, right into your belly, right? Give me a bounce. Good job. You like it, Zara?
Hey, my strawberry puppy.
Why are you licking your tongue like that? Is that good?
Hey, my strawberry puppy.
I have you dripping down my neck all the way in my
Keep it down your neck. Whenever you transplant tomatoes, they usually take the first few weeks for them to focus on root growth. Y'all understand?
Yeah.
Y'all got it? Alright, you see the stem? Yeah, you see how the stem hairy?
Yeah.
Yeah, that we just plant it, okay? Okay, Seja and Zara. So the plant is starting to produce fresh green growth. You see this right here, how the green is thing? And this is the leaves turning brown because we just transplanted them. Okay, so whenever we transplanted the tomatoes or any plant, the leaves will die out first, and then it will produce some new leaves. As you can see here, you see how it's nice and green.
Yeah.
And the leaf is nice and firm. What do you think? Okay, Seja and Zara, the tomato is doing really well despite the summer heat. As you can see, the leaves is nice and green. It's not wilted. We just have that little brown spot because we just planted, but overall it's doing really good. All right, come over to the other bed. Let me show you something real quick. So you see, to the previous one, our tomatoes had all the leaves on there. However, this one is kind of doing good, but we have armyworms eating it up. You can see it. Show me where the armyworms eating it. No, this is the leaves that's missing where the armyworms is taking off. So it had to have leaves on there, but we have little green little worms that eating the leaves. Okay, so we're gonna provide it, give it some organic herbicide to kill off the armyworms that's on there. Okay, Seja and Zara, it's always rewarding seeing months of work finally pays off. Y'all got it?
Yeah.
Y'all hard work paying off, right?
Yeah.
Today we picked sweet corn. We also harvested some beautiful watermelons, and also check on our tomatoes as they continue growing. Right, Seja?
Yeah.
Right, Zara? Give me a bow. If you like today's garden update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know what you'll be growing this season in the comment below.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next time, guys.
Y'all take care.